In our workplace, we use electricity every minute of the day to power our lights, machines, and tools. Because we use it so often, it is easy to forget how dangerous it is. Electricity is known as the silent killer. You cannot see it, hear it, or smell it until it is too late. One mistake with electricity can change your life or end it in a fraction of a second. To stay safe, we need to understand what the danger actually is. An electrical hazard is any situation where a worker can make contact with an electric current. Our bodies are excellent conductors of electricity. This means if you touch a live wire or faulty equipment, the electricity will try to flow through you to get to the ground. These hazards are common in offices, workshops, and factories. They happen when we use damaged cables, overload sockets, or try to repair equipment without being trained. Remember, you don't need to touch high voltage to get hurt. Even standard voltage can be deadly. Now, let's look at the three main dangers of electricity. First, electric shock and electrocution. This is when current passes through the body. A small shock is painful, but a strong shock can stop your heart or cause nerve damage. Electrocution means death by electric shock. Second, arc flash and burns. An arc flash is a sudden electrical explosion. It happens when electricity jumps through the air. It is as hot as the surface of the sun and can cause severe, life-changing burns instantly. Finally, electrical fires. Faulty wiring or overloaded plugs create heat. This is one of the most common causes of workplace fires, which can destroy the entire facility. To prevent these accidents, we must follow strict electrical safety rules. First, inspect before use. Before using any power tool or extension cord, look at it. Check for cuts, exposed wires, or cracked plugs. If it is damaged, do not use it. Tag it as broken and report it. Second, don't overload circuits. Do not plug too many items into one extension cord or power strip. Daisy chaining, plugging one extension cord into another, is a major fire risk. Third, respect LOTO, lockout, tag out. Never try to fix or clean a machine while it is plugged in. Only qualified electricians should do repairs. If you are doing maintenance, ensure the power is off and locked out. Finally, water and electricity don't mix. Never touch electrical equipment with wet hands or while standing in water. Water helps electricity flow into your body faster. Electricity is a powerful tool, but it demands our respect. Do not take shortcuts and do not try to be an electrician if you are not trained. Check your tools, follow the rules, and treat every wire as if it is live. Stay safe, and let's keep the power under control.